Thank you very much. Thank you guys for joining me again on our session as part of the series that we are on. We've been on a series titled Forex Basics to Pro. If you are someone who has no knowledge of Forex, you are someone who is looking for a place to learn how to trade, how to become professional Forex trader, I want to tell you today that you are at the right place, okay? Just sit back, relax, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you haven't, michaelmartinsfx. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release any of our videos, you'll be among the first to be notified. Subscribe, share, make sure you like our videos. And we are on TikTok, we are on Instagram as well, michaelmartinsfx. Go and follow us on all our social media handles, guys, so that we can be encouraged to produce more of these content. So today, guys, we need to get to it straight away. We're going to be talking about a very important, interesting topic. Remember, if you have not been seeing any of our previous videos, guys, you are missing out greatly. The best place to be right now is on this channel, where you will learn what will cost you thousands of pounds outside there, free of charge. So you want to join us, you want to subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be giving you everything I know as a profitable Forex trader and a professional property investor, and what has helped me over the years from Forex trading to multi-million properties in my portfolio. You want to subscribe to this channel and see how I do it. Okay, so right now, let's go to the topic for today. Today we're going to be talking about an interesting topic. Let's share our slide. Taking our time to obviously prepare these slides for you. Again, remember, go and subscribe, go and share. My name is Michael Martins. I'm a UK-based Forex trader and property investor. I want to show you on this channel how I do it so that you too can replicate the same thing. Pull out funds from Forex trading to properties or whatever venture you want to put your money into, literally. So let's go to today's topic. Let's get to it straight away. Very important topic today. What is quote? Many times sometimes people hear these things, but they can't really make sense of it. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about that topic that you hear that you struggle to make sense of them. Sorry, just trying to move my tools to somewhere where this will not obviously affect or block my view. All right, guys. Now, let's get to the subject for today. Now, in Forex trading, guys, one thing you must understand is that exchange rate of one country currency with respect to the other, right, is usually structured in form of a base currency and a quoted currency. Okay, base currency and a quoted currency. For instance, like this one that you have here, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at the bottom here. This is what I'm talking about. All these ones, exactly, you already have it here anyways, guys. You already have it here. You can see base currency. Euro is the base currency and USD is the quoted currency. Okay, so when I want to buy a currency, for instance, I want to travel. Let's assume I want to travel now, and I want to change British pound, dollar, and pounds to US dollars. Yeah. Now I go to Bureau de Change. What I'm going to be asking them is what is the quote for exchanging my British pound to US dollar? That is basically what it means. So that is what so these currencies are structured in form of a quote. Yeah. So now let's go to what we have. The exchange rate of one currency with respect to the other, i.e. the price for which one currency can be bought or sold, is called a quote. It's called a quote. Okay. So in Forex trading, when I go to my trading terminal, what I'm looking at, I want to look at the current quote in the market. Then I want to determine if, based on my analysis, I'm buying or I'm selling the currency. Okay, Golden rule. What is our golden rule? Key points to know. A quote represents the cost. Take note of this, guys. Now, there's one video that is titled, What are currency pairs? If you have not seen that video, you want to go back and listen to that or watch that video rather. That video, after watching it, then you can come to this. It gives you a better insight into what I'm about to explain now. What I'm about to explain now might be a bit tricky for some of you, but I'll do as much as I can as a trainer to explain it. However, I have a full topic for that. What am I talking about? Let's go to it. Now, the golden rule, this understanding will help you throughout your journey as a Forex trader. So you want to understand what I want to explain now. However, there's a full video on what I want to explain now. There's a full video. Go to what are currency pairs. You will have a better understanding of it. Golden rule, a quote represents the cost of purchasing 1 unit. Okay? Cost of purchasing 1 unit. Take note, 1 unit of what? The base currency. This is very key, guys. 1 unit of the base currency. Right? In the currency pair. What are we talking about? You see, when you have this structure like this, it is called currency pair. Why? You know what pair means? Pair means 2, isn't it? So this structure like this is 1, but we have 2 currencies in 1. So the base, the quote represents the purchase of 1 unit of the base currency. Which one is your base? This is your base. It means 1 of these, okay, in the currency pairs. Okay, in the exchange market as vice versa. Now let's go to it. Let's look at an example here. In this example, guys, you have, let me take this. In this example, you have Euro USD. This is how our typical trading terminal is, guys. This is how our what's it called? The codings of the currencies on our trading terminal is structured like this. Let me just quickly show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to our trading terminal for once, okay? For a second. Let's quickly go to our trading terminal so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay? So this is our trading terminal. Can you see all these currencies here now? You can see they are coded. Yeah? GBP USD, NZD USD, GBP CHF, Euro USD, Euro CAD, Euro EJ, Euro JPY, okay? And the likes. That's what we are talking about. So you need to have, there's a full course on its own that we talk about currency coding. Right? The meaning of this coding. For instance, GBP USD, one thing you want to understand, guys, is that when you see currencies coded like this is 2 currencies in 1. GBP stand for Great British Pounds. USD stand for United States Dollars. So in coding, the first 3 letters, the first 2 letters of the 3 letters here for one country, GBP. The GBP, for instance, the first 2 letters stand for the country, Great British, or the Great Britain. Then the G stand for what? The currency. Let's look at USD. US stand for United States of America, right? Then the D is there, stand for dollar. And it goes on like that. NZD, for instance, USD. NZD stand for New Zealand. That's NZ, New Zealand. The D stand for dollars. Yeah? JPY, Japan Yen. So that is what we talk about currency coding. So you want to go back, there's a video that talks about coding. You understand that as well. So now let's get back, guys, to our almighty slides. Okay? Now let's get back. Now remember what we were talking about. Okay? Remember what we said. When you see a structure like this, right? What this is saying that, okay, let's go back to our golden rule, okay? To refresh our knowledge. A quote represents the cost of purchasing 1 unit. Always take note, 1 unit of the base currency. And in this case, this is the base. right? So when you see Euro USD 1.1302, what does it mean? It means 1 unit of Euro USD will cost you. So get 1 unit of Euro USD, it will cost you what? 1.1302 dollars. What does it mean? So when you see this quote is more than the base quote, which is base stand for, remember, base is always 1 unit. Yeah, 1 unit of this cost this. It means that euro is what? Stronger than US dollar, because 1 unit, $1, 1 unit of euro will cost you $1.130, depending on how it is quoted, right? It could be quoted in dollars or euro. So let's assume it's quoted in dollars now. So which means, guys, right, I'm bringing 1 euro. I want to exchange for dollars. That's what it means now. I'm traveling to United States and I have euro and I want to get some dollars, which means I'm going to get more of dollars for 1 unit of euro. Does that make sense to you now? I'm going to get more of dollar for 1 unit of euro. So that is why the currencies are quoted based on the fact that 1 unit of the quarter of the base currency is exchanging for whatever the quote is, the quoted currency. And that's what it says here. 1 unit of the base currency in the currency pair in exchange market advisor. So a quote represents the cost of purchasing 1 unit. So what is the cost of what? The cost of purchasing 1 unit of this one. Yeah, if for instance you want to buy euro, it means that you will need more of United States dollar to buy 1 of euro. Now I'm explaining it reversely now. Okay, once you have the understanding, anyhow you explain it, then you understanding will just makes you to communicate sense eventually, and that's what matters. So that's that. The same thing we have here as well, right? What does this one mean now? This one means that 1 unit of euro will cost you $1.05. Same thing. Okay, so that's basically what a quote means. Okay, a quote simply means that how many units of the quoted currency, how many units of this one, the quoted currency, will exchange for 1 unit of the base currency. I hope that makes sense. Okay, thank you very much, guys. We need to jump on the next topic. Until then, I remain Michael Martins. Remember to subscribe, like, and share so that I'm turn on the notification bell. I'll see you on the next slide. Bye, guys. See you later. Bye, guys. Bye. Okay, stop.